Gorillas have a gestation period of approximately 8.5 months, about 257 days, and typically give birth at night or early in the morning. The birth usually results in a single infant, with twins being a rare occurrence. Newborn gorillas weigh around 2.5 kilograms for 0.5 to 5.5 pounds, and are born with pale grey-pink skin that is sparsely covered with hair. 15. The labour can last several hours, and mothers often exhibit behaviour that prepares them for the arrival of their young. 5. Immediately after birth, the mother provides continuous physical contact, holding the infant closely as they move through their habitat. 56. The newborn is capable of clinging to its mother using a strong grip from both hands and feet, which is essential for survival in the arboreal environment. Community interaction. From birth, gorilla infants are integrated into their social group. Other members of the troop, including the dominant silverback male, often engage with the young gorillas. Nursing and development. Gorilla infants are nursed for about 2.5 to 3 years, with mothers nursing them at least once per hour during the early months. 3-4. By 3 months, infants begin to explore solid food, and by 6 to 7 months, they start eating more vegetation as part of their diet. Gorillas are pregnant for about 8.5 months. These pregnancies take about 257 days. Socialization and independence. As infants grow, they gradually begin to explore their surroundings. By 9 weeks, they start crawling, and by 20 weeks, they can stand. Walking typically begins around 34 weeks.